How to set up the NordicTrack X24 Treadmill. Your first step is to unbox and inspect the parts. So move the boxes close to the room where the treadmill will be used before opening it, and then remove all packaging materials, locate the hardware kit and tools, verify that all parts are included, keep the packing materials until setup is complete. The X24 is shipped in a very large box and the assembly should be done near its final location. Now, the next step is assembling the uprights. So, with a second person helping you, attach the upright to the assembly base. And then the next step is to keep the power cord unplugged. Do not pinch any wires during the assembly and ensure all connectors click securely into place. The manual specifically notes that wire connectors should snap together with an audible click. Then the next step is attaching the console. So all you need to do is simply connect the console cables and secure the touchscreen assembly. So just add this here and secure the touchscreen assembly. Connect the console wiring, connect the ground wire, and carefully tuck wires inside of the frame and then tighten the mounting screws. The proper wire connections are required for the treadmill and the touchscreen to function properly. And then next is positioning and leveling the treadmill. So move the treadmill into its final position before powering it on. Place the treadmill on a flat surface with the help of someone else. Check for wobbling and adjust the leveling if necessary. The manual recommends adjusting the leveling feet until the treadmill resets or rests firmly on the floor. And then the next step is connecting power. So plug the treadmill into a properly grounded outlet, insert the power cord, turn the power switch on, and attach your safety key. Avoid using extension cords unless specifically approved by NordicTrack. The X24 uses a powerful motor and should be connected to an appropriate outlet. And then the last step is connecting to Wi Fi. So when the touchscreen starts, connect it to your home Wi Fi network. Select your language, connect to Wi Fi, sign in, or create an iFIT account and allow any updates to install. The X24 is designed around the iFIT platform and receives software updates through Wi Fi. And then all you need to do lastly is just calibrate your incline and you're done. Don't forget to test the treadmill. All right, guys.